Alright guys, my next little haul here, I should have combined it with the last one, but I didn't think. This one is from Witch Baby Soaps. Here's her card. And there's her coupon code that she always includes. This one was also a small order, and this one also came the same day that my Mad Bombers haul came, and the box got soaked on the porch. But everything has been okay. Everything that I've seen, it looks alright. So here is the sample, and this is a sample of the Beast soap. I think I've got a sample of this before. Oh, come on now. The Beast soap. That's a really strong scent. It is a manly scent. What it reminds me of is a man's deodorant is what it smells like to me, but it's really strong. Not up my alley, but some of you might like it. I really can't describe it. Y'all know I can't describe scents. Whew. Oh yeah, I can't. Whew, I can't do that. It's not that it has a bad smell, it just has a really strong smell. Okay. So, I only got a few things from Witch Baby. Oh, get off there. First of all, I got some Psychic bath bombs. This is probably my favorite scent from Witch Baby. It's just a nice, like a lavender, a sweet lavender scent. It's just, oh, I love it. It's a nice soothing scent. And in the very top, she sticks an amethyst crystal in them. So you get a beautiful purple sparkly bath and an amethyst crystal. I love that. And then thanks to Jax, who is a YouTuber. She has Bunny Barn by Jax, is the name of her channel. She was going on about this scrub, about how wonderful it smells, and it's on sale right now. And it's the Witch's Cocoa Body Scrub. This smells like hot chocolate. It smells delicious. Look at this. It's nice. It's nice and thick. See that? Yeah. It's nice fine grain. It feels like a fine grain salt. Oh God, y'all, it smells so good. It smells extremely good. If you like chocolate, you'll like this. This smells awesome. Oh gosh, it smells good. Alright, that's it. That's everything I got from Witch Baby. I know there's not much there, right? Usually I get more than that, but just a small one. Alright guys, have a good one.